Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a high octane muscle chainsaw. That's the 372 XP torque that has been hand assembled by the chainsaw guy with a 372 XPW cylinder and piston, ignition, carburation, and West Coast tuned. These are a test chainsaw, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. It will be disabled at the end of the video. Let me show you a little bit about it. Of course, it says X-Torque, but it's the XPW OEM factory 75, approximately 75 cc engine. Very nice engine. Has the dual porting on it. I'm going to fire it up and let you listen to it. Chainsaw guy individually hand assembles each one of these, custom built. If you have any interest in those, there's the information.